So first of all, I want to apologize for the glare on my glasses because it's just impossible to get rid of, unfortunately. So maybe one day I'll try contacts, but for now, again, I'm sorry. But this is going to be a very exciting video. It is how to make 2018 the best year ever. Make sure to like this video and subscribe down below by clicking the red subscribe button, and also make sure to click the bell so you turn notifications so you don't miss one of my videos, because yeah, YouTube doesn't always put them in your subscription box. Just an FYI, guys. Yeah, you should hit the bell. You should really click the bell. But anyway, go ahead and follow me on social media. I have Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. So yeah, all that stuff will be linked down below, so check that out. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. The first thing that you should definitely do to start 2018 off right and just, make it a really good year is to make sure you're organized. I don't care if this means getting baskets, getting bins, getting something to organize all of your stuff. I know for me, I have like little bins that I organize my beanies in, and I have like the little plastic crates that you use for like movies and CDs. That's what they're originally designed for, but I use them for like makeup and socks and all of that awesome stuff. And yeah, basically just get boxes, bins, baskets, whatever it takes to get yourself organized. Also, if you guys look, check out my minimalism challenge that I did that the first full week of January, which was Monday through Friday. You guys can check that out. I just give you guys tips and stuff of what to go through and what to get rid of and what to keep, and just kind of becoming more of a minimalist. The next thing that I encourage each and every person to do in 2018 is to plan. Get a planner, get something to organize your life. So for me, I have this desktop calendar planner type thing, and I just have like business stuff on here, music stuff, my blog stuff, YouTube stuff, and just other important things on here. Again, it's smaller, so it's kind of just like I see like when I need to post a video and what video I'm posting that day, or if I'm gonna do like a no sugar day, then I have that on here. Different things like that that are really important that I don't want to miss. And then I also have a composition book. Actually, this isn't even an actual planner, but it's a composition book, and this is how I stay organized. It's almost like my bullet journal, but I just have my weeks in here. So this is Monday and this was last week. So this week I just have like the boxes, and I have some color in there, so it's kind of fun, and I can decorate it with stickers and stuff. And this is Thursday through Saturday, so I can just write down my goals. And that's one thing I've noticed with myself personally. When I'm planning stuff, I feel like when I used to do it hourly, I would know what I was doing every single hour of my day, or try to follow that to the best that I could. But I found that it became kind of more of like an anxiety thing for me, and I was like, oh shoot, I was supposed to be doing this, and it just got to be a little too much for me personally. So what I started to do in 2018 was to just start making goals every day. So yeah, and then also in this planner, I just have like grocery lists and my meal plan. One thing I did that I really have enjoyed is the January playlist. So I just write down songs that I have liked in January, or songs that I've really been able to relate to in this month, different things like that. I have my habit tracker, which I'm going to do some more to that next month, but this month I really enjoyed that. I have specific goals for January, and I'm probably not going to meet all of them, but they're just goals that I wanted to work to. The third thing that I could definitely just tell you guys over and over again to do in 2018 is to work out. It's very rare to find someone that says, I love to go to the gym, or I love working out. And yeah, it just really just makes me feel so much better from like a mental standpoint. I'm just like, oh, I feel accomplished. But then also like physically, I just feel better. The fourth thing that I would encourage each of you guys to do would be to keep a food diary. When you like write down the foods that you ate in a day, you can really see like what you should eat and what you should not eat. I think a food diary is just really helpful to just see what you're putting into your body and kind of what you're getting out. Like what you put in is really honestly what comes out, not with just food. Unfortunately, it's with like everything, like media and all that stuff, but specifically we're talking about food. So like especially with food, what you put in is what you get out. The fifth thing that I would encourage each of you guys to do is to redecorate your room. So I know for me personally, like a lot of us get really caught up in the Christmas spirit, and we're just really joyful and happy and loving and caring. And then as soon as Christmas is over, we start January, and it's a new year, and we're excited about the new year, and we're planning away, and we're going crazy with all of our planner supplies and all that fun stuff. But then like at the end of the day, we kind of sit back and we're just like, January. Like, Christmas is over. I've had to take all my Christmas decorations down and put those away until, you know, the next Christmas season. And so I think for me personally, again, as I said, it's just really important to like redecorate your room, whether that's moving 2 pieces of furniture or getting a new sign to hang on your wall or getting a new pillow, new comforter, a blanket, just something. So the 6th thing that I would encourage you guys to do for a really good year is to keep a gratitude journal. So whether I'm having like a really bad day, not only does it like encourage me to write down 3 things that I'm thankful for, but I can also go back through like my past days and my past weeks. The next thing I would encourage each person to do every single day is to get some fresh air. Now, for me personally, I don't like going out when it's like 10 degrees to get fresh air, but it is so important to do so. It really helps your mind and just clears, you know, everything out. And for me personally, when I go outside and I walk around and stuff, it just really helps me to get my thoughts more in order and just really know what I'm feeling and what I'm thinking. And I just love spending time outside in God's creation, to be honest. I feel so much closer to Him when I'm out there. And so whether you want to go on a run or go on a walk with a pet or a friend or a family member, take a 10-minute break, go outside and just really just breathe in the fresh air. The next thing that is really, really great to do in just a new year, and I mean, you can start this anytime, honestly, but it's to have a memory box. So this is just a box that I got from like Michael's or whatever, and I just fill it with things that I want to remember. So whether it be like a movie ticket or pictures, but yeah, I just encourage you all to keep a memory box, whether it be for the entire year of 2018 or just the summer, whatever it is. It's really fun to go back at the end of the year, look back and reflect on all of those great memories that you had in 2018. This next one is kind of one at the top of my list for 2018, but it's just to go through my Pinterest account and try out all the different pins that I have. If you guys want to check me out on Pinterest, it's Chloe_YT. If you guys want to get inspiration or anything like that, you guys can check it out. But I just have like a makeup board, and I have like bedroom decor, lettering, workouts. I have lots of different things on here, and I really want to try more of my pins out. Next is to keep a bucket list. So whether it's like a summer bucket list for 2018 and you want to start gathering ideas for that now, or just a bucket list for the entire year of 2018. I also actually have a video that I posted not too long ago of my bucket list, kind of like a 2018, but also like my entire life bucket list. So you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked below as well as in the cards. So you guys can check that out and see what I have on my bucket list. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell. And also make sure to check out my links, which are in the description box below. You can also check out the cards. I have videos linked there that you guys can check out that I also mentioned throughout this video. But yeah, I challenge you guys to try every single one of these ideas out and see how great your 2018 or whatever you're watching this, 2019, 2020. I just hope that you guys have a really great year. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Remember to love always. Bye guys.
Choose you, that's what I do.